Hello traders, Vladimir Rybakov here, and in this video I would like to talk about the pound dollar and why I believe this pair has still more room to the downside. Ready? So let's begin. What do we have on the weekly time frame? Mainly a key rejection zone, which we can find here. And all that is holding, as you can see here, with an empty spike through the psychological level of 140. Very good hold. Since then, what do we have? Several weekly candles keeping lower highs, lower lows. This is indeed a bearish sign. Watching on a daily time frame after a massive rally to the upside, ending up with a bearish divergence, what do we start to see? A corrective movement. The way it looks right now, the first leg down was broken into two waves, 1, 2. Then we were facing a pullback, which also is broken into two waves, and this breakout ideally should deliver us further bearish continuation in few waves, and more ideally towards this low zone or the dynamic 200 moving average. Very important thing to pay attention to is this ongoing line, which I will cover in a second. So when we drop to the lower time frames to trying to find opportunities, what do we have here? The first leg down, which we saw on the daily chart, on the lower time frame, it's clearer waves to the downside, some sort of a range, triangle range, and a breakout. Great sign. On the move down, no significant ending sign. We do not have any form of a concern bullish divergence here. Indicators indicating to us that the bears are yet to continue. So the way I see this pair building up is pulling back towards this zone, maybe even the break of the triangle area. This all becomes a massive area. Assuming the price holds this zone, I would expect the bears trying to push here. If this current rally creates a higher high than the first one before, this is the first one, if this one becomes the second high and it's higher than the first, this would become as a bearish hidden divergence condition, which gives a great indication for further move down. And as always, we must have a clear plan of invalidation. And from my point of view, this plan is right here, invalidation line, connecting the tops of the ongoing trend line. Because if we see the price going through that without really respecting the money zone, which we just identified before, just going through that, this is a sign that we better step back from the bearish idea and not looking for clear setups to trade it to the downside. This is my view on the pound dollar and why I anticipate another push to the downside. I hope you find this video useful and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with more videos, more trading opportunities and trading ideas. Take care.